it's me, GamingSkyHD, and today I'll be showing you my fully working chicken farm. Now this is very easy to make. Not so easy in survival because you need the materials. So yeah, here it is. So this I'll explain this to you, then show you how to build it, and then that's it. Okay. So first off, you have the chickens right here. You could and you items can go through hoppers when it's when it's on a slab. So like this, it's on a slab, so it will collect the items through the block into the item into this dispenser. Now when I click this, it will shoot out an egg, and when those eggs hatch, if they do, they will they would be on that slab block. And they're and actually these baby chickens are a slab height, a height of a slab. And they're technically not in the lava. Now when they grow up, they will they will hit the lava because there's no space, and then the cooked chicken will go down, also the feathers too, and it'll go down in here. Now I'm gonna show you how to build it. First off, you're gonna need some glass. You're also gonna need some cobblestone slabs, some regular cobblestone hoppers, a lever, and redstone. Now we need more than this, but I'm gonna place these down real quick for you to see what items we need. Now now you also need a dispenser. You're gonna need wait. Oh yeah, you need a lava bucket. That's all you need. This is all the items you need to build this contraption. You're also gonna need chickens, but you'll find them in the wild, so yeah. So first off, you're gonna build the platform. You need it high in this little bit. I would say like a few blocks. It really doesn't matter, but you need at least some room for like um, um your hoppers and all that, because you need them to go through and you need enough space for it. Now place slabs on these, right? Leave the blocks under, and then get your hopper, and then place them on the slab. Now, as I told you, they will work as normal. It will accept the actual items. So yeah, crouch down and place your blocks. Well, you only need to crouch down for your first block, so it doesn't really matter. You gotta place the glass after I'm finished doing this. You place the glass around, and you leave them one block of space. So yeah, just leave them one block of space. Actually, you need to be a little higher. Jeez, this is laggy. Oh. Now that's enough space, but you need to also get your your chickens, put them in there. I'm not gonna put this for like demonstration purposes. Now crouch, place your things. Item. Now you actually have to connect these to this one hopper. You could do a little differently, just has to do all each other. I do this right here. Now make it so it's connected to like this. Now you need your platform now. And then get your dispenser and connect the the hopper to the dispenser. Now we're gonna get on to the redstone. Now this is just simple Minecraft redstone. It's very easy, but you can't leave it on because it won't shoot out the eggs and in the dispenser. And if you do this, it won't work because the eggs only go into the dispenser right here if the redstone signal is off. So remember that. So now you gotta get your also the chest. You gotta get the chest. So yeah. Get your hoppers back in your inventory and place them right under the slab. Now you gotta surround the remaining area with glass. Now you gotta leave a space for the lava or it won't really kill it. Place the lava down. Oh jeez. These accidents happen. Get all the lava away. It's spilled everywhere. Anyways, place the lava down. Careful, because if you're in survival, yeah, it's gonna kill you. Now block this off. You're almost done. You just need the chest now. The chest is the most important part of this contraption. And there you go. It's complete. Now it looks smaller than this one because this one was accidentally messed up and it's like all wacky. This one is like smaller. So yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.